Mike Malone, senior commodities strategist at Bloomberg, argues that the crypto winter could last longer than previous market downturns and the Fed sledgehammer is the reason. However, do not forget to put likes, write comments, subscribe to the channel, preferably right while watching. He expects the industry to be stronger than ever in the next few years, with Bitcoin rising to $100,000 by 2025 and Ethereum worth $6,000. He also mentioned the merger, stating that the event had become too publicized and was now causing short-term inconvenience to investors. He also predicted that Ethereum's greener focus will lead to mass adoption of the protocol, which will help the protocol evolve in the coming years. In a recent interview with Kitco News, Malone reiterated his stance that Bitcoin will rise to the $100,000 price level. However, due to the macroeconomic global winter, the appreciation of the asset could take up to 3 years. Bitcoin for me is a matter of time before it hits $100,000. The key fact is that adoption and demand is growing unless you expect it to change, which I don't think. It will continue to be appreciated now, it's just a matter of time. Speaking of Ethereum, a Bloomberg strategist called it another animal, expecting its price to rise to $6,000 by 2025. The reason for the growth of the cryptocurrency in the future is that it is the fastest horse in the race, Malone claims. In his opinion, this asset class has an advantage in the form of rapidly developing technologies that will help it overcome the bear market. He believes that, like the dot-com bubble in the early 2000s, the current crypto winter will wash away some projects. However, the significant ones will survive the turbulence and play a vital role in the future of finance, the strategist concluded. It is worth noting that Malone is not always accurate in his predictions. Late last year, he foresaw that deflationary forces would prevail in 2022, which could help Bitcoin hit the $100,000 mark. However, in reality, many countries have experienced record inflation rates this year, and BTC is trading well below the predicted level. Ethereum's long-awaited transition from proof-of-work to proof-of-stake finally happened last week and has become one of the most talked-about topics in this area. As some expected, the massive hype around the process triggered a sell the news event and the price of ETH dropped significantly. Malone is also among those who believe that the transition has received too much publicity and that this will negatively affect the valuation of the token in the short term. I think the big picture of Ethereum is that it is revolutionizing finance like futures and ETFs, but we are going through this merger now and now we have to worry about the potential bumps in the road that we all know will happen. With this type of technology, Bloomberg's Mike Malone predicts when BTC will reach $100,000 and ETH will reach $6,000.